Now I'm going to show you one that I really, really like. And this is going to be called, dun, 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 this is going to be called the Dockmaster's belt. So this one here is so simple, but so truly authentic as a belt. And this is all about the leather. Look at this. Look at the tannery. Look what the tannery's done with this full grain piece of leather. I mean, look at the texture that you have there, and the variances that you have in the surface. Obviously, this is a full grain, top grain piece of leather. There's no sanding, there's no finishing on top of this, but just a fantastic piece of leather that just has so much character, and you can just feel the strength in this leather. This leather is not going to stretch. It's not going to stretch by much, if at all. Yeah. So this is something new. This is something new in the collection. It's got a beefier buckle on it with a roller. It's more, yeah, it's a little huskier, a little more rugged. That's what I think we'll call this the Dockmaster's belt. Because if you know anything about Dockmasters, they're not much for fussiness. They're pretty straightforward. A lot of them wouldn't say boo if they had a mouthful of it. I think this is the kind of belt they would